As the sun rises on day 2 and chases the shadows from the draws on the Royer farm, the world wakes up to a new day without a cloud in the sky, and the boys wake up to the smell of hot coffee and sizzling bacon.
It is day number 2 here on opening weekend in Murdo, South Dakota, October 19th. Temperature's supposed to be in the 70s today, a little breezy, hopefully not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday on opening day, we had 7 guys, 3 birds apiece. We got our limit at 21. We cleaned them up, had some supper, got a good night's sleep. Hopefully we're going to limit out again today. Since the season opens at noon, I decided to do a little fishing here. We got a nice stock down behind us full of bass.
We lost a 3.5-pound bass here, snapped him off. Okay?
3.5-pounder.
Rookie.
Probably this big or so. But hopefully we got our 7 guys again. We're going to try to limit out before the day's over and cap off a good weekend here in Murdo.
Yeah, the plan today is over here. Bruce has 2 quarters of land over here in the southeast corner over here. And on this land over here, there's food plots, draws, dams and stuff like this, and a lot of cover. We're going to go, because of the prevailing breeze coming out of the northwest, we're going to go down on the south end and work our way into it for the dogs so they can pick up the scent. I know there's birds out here. We should have a good day. We should have our birds done in a matter of 2.5 to 3 hours. Now, we're lucky, okay? Now, we heard this morning, a friend of ours over from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, called a friend of his that was out with 20 guys yesterday on a preserve, and they got 6 birds yesterday, which I find a little shocking. But the only thing I can tell you guys, like I've told you in every show so far, do your due diligence. Don't just come out here because you've been coming out to some place for 10, 15 years and expect to get something out here in South Dakota. The landscape in South Dakota has changed in the eastern part of the state. You're looking for nesting cover, you're looking for habitat, you're looking for food, and you're looking for water. The bigger nesting cover you can get, we got a dog right down here that is rolling in the grass. He's kind of enjoying the morning. So that's why we're kind of snickering about this. I don't know if you can hear him on the camera rolling, but he's down here just having a good morning. But hey guys, we'll see you later, okay? Load up here. Yeah, just over the top. You're gonna go down the end? Get anybody with you? Yeah. They're running like. Pretty skittish. They take the shotgun from me.
Points in there? Huh? Yeah, points in there? Looks like it. Right here. Get him, Bodie. Get him. Shoot there! Nice shot.
You did. Couldn't see Max. No. Look how young this guy is. Yeah. He's young.
So we need to surround, what are we going to surround it or what?
Yeah. Which dam are you talking about doing? The one by the place?
I think we're going to have to come up.
Look how beautiful this food plot is. Man, this really came up thick. Should hold some birds. still have the camera on? All right.
Sam, come on. Good, Sam. Yep. Get him, Bodie.
Pick up a bear out of there?
Yep.
That's the 3 birds got up then, huh?
Yeah, 2 roosters in a hen and then another hen right there.
Ain't a lot of them, though.
In the bottom.
Stick around for more action like this after the break.